Blasting cold AC directly at your plants is pure ice-cold assassination. Welcome back to the Plant Crime Files. Today's freezing victim is Neon the colorful Aglaonema. He was found with dark, translucent, soggy patches on his leaves, collapsing near a modern office desk. Imagine this. The owner turned the air conditioner down to maximum freezing power during a summer heat wave. But under that continuous freezing airflow, helpless Neon was facing a silent, remorseless, Arctic cell-crushing execution. I examined the weapon. High-speed Arctic drafts blowing from the vent, causing instant localized frostbite damage. Is your plant losing leaves directly under an AC vent? Drop a tauve in the comments. Have you ever thought about this? Tropical plants use tiny leaf pores called stomata to safely breathe.
Continuous freezing wind shocks these pores, forcing them to slam shut and completely paralyzing moisture evaporation.
This internal traffic jam causes cell walls to burst, turning the vibrant tissues translucent and soggy. Without immediate physical relocation, the cold shock destroys the main stems, triggering complete, mushy plant death. I conducted a visual autopsy. The upper leaves facing the vent were completely hollowed out and ruined. The official cause of death was avoided. We initiated an emergency tactical relocation evacuation, but Neon still had a pulse. We moved him instantly to a warm, protected, safe sanctuary. Step 1. Relocation. Always keep your tropical foliage at least 6 feet away from any active vent. Step 2. Amputation. I took sterilized pruning shears and clipped the translucent, soggy, dead leaves right away. This cuts off the spreading decay, preventing secondary fungal infections from exploiting the open, cold-damaged wounds. Step 3. Stabilization. Ensure room temperatures stay consistently above 65 degrees Fahrenheit at all times. Step 4. The fast. Cold-shocked roots cannot process nutrients, so avoid all fertilizers for 6 weeks. Only use small sips of lukewarm water to keep the soil lightly damp until new growth starts. Tropical plants hate sudden temperature swings. Consistency is the ultimate secret to survival in this indoor jungle. The Arctic draft case is officially closed. Neon is warm, safe, and thriving. Subscribe to the Urban Leaf right now. Stop the freezing plant massacres and grow warm.